Hey there, zookeepers! Here's how to build underground paths in Planet Zoo. If you ever need to build an underground tunnel or path to fit your zoo's layout or creative design, it's absolutely possible. You can do this using the path system with a few adjustments. To start, open the Paths menu and click on the cogwheel icon to open the path settings. There, you'll find the tunneling option. Tick the checkbox to enable it, and you'll be able to build paths through the terrain, whether you're going underground or through elevated terrain. To create an underground tunnel, first build a path at the edge of your hole with tunneling disabled. Then, press the J key twice to create a downward staircase and continue adding paths until you reach your desired depth. Once you're at the depth you want, press the U key twice to level out the path. Then, go back to the path settings and enable tunneling. You can now continue building the path underground without having to manually dig out the tunnel. When you're ready to bring the path back to the surface, press the U key twice to create an ascending staircase. Once you reach ground level, double-click the J key again to flatten the path and disable the tunneling option again to create a clean path on the surface. With these settings and controls, you can create underground walkways, tunnels, and other creative path layouts for your zoo. Just take your time experimenting with the terrain and path settings until you get the look you want. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.